Supporting transgender friends is essential for fostering belonging and acceptance in our communities. When we show respect and understanding, we create spaces where everyone feels safe to express their true selves. These efforts not only reduce isolation, but also promote mental well-being, building trust, and laying the groundwork for a more compassionate environment. Let's explore what gender identity means and why it matters. Gender identity refers to a person's deeply felt sense of their own gender, which may differ from the sex assigned at birth. For transgender individuals, living authentically can involve navigating social, emotional, and sometimes medical transitions. Their journeys may include challenges like misunderstanding or discrimination, but also moments of resilience and pride. By learning about and respecting diverse gender identities, we help break down stereotypes and encourage empathy, paving the way for a more supportive society. Now, let's look at how respect can be shown in everyday interactions. Demonstrating respect in daily life starts with simple, meaningful actions. Using correct names and pronouns affirms each person's identity and helps them feel included. Listening attentively and without judgment shows genuine care and builds trust. Even small gestures, such as maintaining eye contact or being mindful of your tone, contribute to a respectful atmosphere. These everyday choices reflect our commitment to treating others with dignity and kindness. Emotional support is another important aspect of allyship. Offering emotional support means being present, especially during difficult moments. Listening with empathy and without judgment can provide comfort and reassurance. Checking in regularly or sharing kind words helps others feel valued. Creating an environment where everyone is respected and advocating for inclusivity strengthens our community. By standing up for others and promoting acceptance, we help ensure that everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Sometimes this involves addressing misconceptions. Misunderstandings about transgender experiences often stem from misinformation or lack of awareness. While not all comments are meant to be hurtful, they can still have negative effects. Responding calmly and empathetically to insensitive remarks can lead to constructive conversations. You might gently correct misunderstandings, share your perspective, or set boundaries if needed. Thoughtful responses foster respect and encourage greater understanding, helping to build a more inclusive environment. Continued learning is key to effective support. Supporting transgender friends is an ongoing journey that benefits from continual learning and engagement. There are many resources available, including books, online articles, and organizations dedicated to transgender rights and education. Participating in workshops or webinars can deepen your understanding, while listening to personal stories and following reputable social media accounts offers valuable perspectives. Staying informed about current events and legislative changes ensures that allies can provide meaningful support and help create a more inclusive community. This ongoing commitment leads to lasting allyship. In the end, supporting transgender friends means embracing a lasting commitment to respect, care, and authentic allyship. By listening, learning, and standing up against discrimination, we help build a safe and welcoming environment where everyone feels valued. Our actions, both large and small, make a meaningful difference in the lives of those around us. Allyship is a journey defined by empathy, growth, and unwavering support.